Dates for all of you to remember. You should remember the dates that I'm going to announce later, because this will entirely change the way we play, change the way we expand in our countries, expand in other countries, and to expand our market. Are you excited with this? Okay, let's proceed with our PowerPoint. Nandiyan na ba yung timekeepers, no? Okay, is this the timekeepers? Ayan, we are launching this week our partnership with Swatch. Meron ka bang relo? Our watch is important for taking time for our schedules, taking time to sell, taking time to meet our groups, taking time for our OPPs, our schedules, meet our prospects, meet our downlines, meet our uplines. Time is very, very important. And we feel, so that we could attract more positivity in our lives, nagpa-exclusive, customized, manufactured tayo sa Swatch ng AIM Global Watch. We have two exciting edition of this watches, and we call this group Timekeepers. Everybody say Timekeepers. It is engraved on that particular watch, abundance, prosperity, wealth, I can attitude, happiness, so that every time you wear your watch, you would attract people towards your business. You would attract prosperity, you would attract abundance, you would attract huge organization in your network. Okay po ba yun? Next. Ayan. You'll be given a catalog, later you'll understand, Doc, how can I avail of that? This is not for sale. Again, this is not for sale. You can use the product GC for these watches. Exciting ba? Next. Ayan. You'll be given a catalog that displays this. Next slide, please. Ayan. What are the membership privilege? Number one, kapag nag-avail ka ng Timekeepers Club by Swatch, you will be having exclusive mentoring sessions with me. Exclusive mentoring session with our Chief Finance Officer, Francis Miguel. Exclusive mentoring session with our Chief Marketing Officer, John Asperin. Okay po ba yun? So, kunwari magsaset ako ng schedule, kapag nag-avail ka ng Timekeepers Club, breakfast with Doc Ed. So, I'll be giving you tips on how to grow your network, locally and internationally. Okay? Okay na okay. After some time naman, may schedule naman lunch with Francis Miguel. Okay po ba yan? After some time naman, ibang schedule naman, dinner with John Asperin. So you'll be given techniques on how to motivate your group, grow your group locally and internationally. Is that great? After some time naman, mentoring session with the Vice President. Kung meron kang breakfast, lunch, dinner, meron naman honeymoon with Jordan Gonzalez. Ay, mali pala, mali. So may mga mentoring session pa rin. Not only with the BODs, not only with the Vice President, but as well, top earners of AIM Global online and offline. Para matuto tayo mag-build ng network. Is this exciting? What else? Back. Okay? You now have access to us, BODs and VPs, through that mentoring session, and this is regular. Not only here in Metro Manila, but as we travel all over the Philippines, we would cater the Timekeepers Club. What else? Number 3, sample new products before its commercial launch. Kapag naka-Timekeepers Club ka, mabibigyan ka ng sample ng mga bagong products bago i-launch. Okay po ba yun? Another exciting privilege, ito yung alam kong pinakagusto. Reserve seats for AIM Global event na sa harapan kapag Timekeepers ka. Again, timing to para sa May 29, 10th year anniversary ng company. So kapag nag-avail ka ng Timekeepers Club, guaranteed seats sa harap ka. Of course, you need to buy the tickets. Okay po ba yan? At least kapag may events ng company, so si Swatch, nandiyan ka bandang harapan. Okay? What else? Eto, you get to be invited sa Alive Foundation. Not only you will have time to be mentored, time to be inspired and motivated, time for to see the vision of the company. Now you have the time to participate and share your time sa mga charity outreach program natin. Okay po ba yun? Makasama ka sa mga treats natin with the elderlies, sa mga treats natin sa mga street kids, sa mga treats natin sa mga Operation Smile, things like that. So not only you are developing your skills, equipping yourself to be a good entrepreneur, but you can already share the blessings that you have through donation of your time and to participating to those kind of outreach program. What else? Listen to this. A portion of the GC value that you will use to buy the Timekeepers Club and the SWATs is donated to Alive Foundation. So, may SWATs ka na, nakakatulong ka pa sa foundation ng company. Okay po ba yun? Next. Ayan, and then you will be having free subscription to Aim High newsletter natin. So pag merong newsletter na bago, may libre kang newsletter. So these are the benefits. Meron kang watch, so you could attract great time, and then you'll have time with us, time to be mentored, and then you have time to participate sa mga outreach program. You have free products sa mga bagong ilalabas ng company, and then a certain value ng product GC will be donated to Alive Foundation. Am I clear with this? Next. Ayan, you'll be given this catalog. Next. Let's just show them. Ayan, no? Para meron kang time to be mentored. Next slide. Time to aspire. John will give you some of his techniques to help you grow your network. Next. Ayan, time for you to see the vision of the company. Next. Ayan, time to smile, share, and care. Next. Guys, all of this, just to let you know, will be available this coming week. Doc, ilang product GC ba yan? This is just one time. Okay, one-time purchase. You can use, listen to this, 10. Everybody say 10. 10 product GCs to avail of these services. So, uplines na maraming GC, pwede kang bumili ng marami, pwede mo pamigay sa downlines. Okay po ba yun? So now that you have this, I hope to see more of you sa Timekeepers Club. Makita-kita tayo to be mentored, and this will start this coming week. Next. Ayan. Just to give you some update with this, guys, we are really preparing for this to help you grow your network locally and internationally. Because the population nowadays of Earth is 7 billion. There are 7 billion people around the world that we can tap, that we can reach, that we can help with our products, that we can help with our business. So how do we do this with AIM World? Next slide. Ayan. We need to do the NPP. For every product that we are launching, we always have a new product policy package. Now, this is not only a new product, but a new division. Everybody say division. With this, we can now expand our market into so many countries. Next. Next slide, please. Just like what I've mentioned before, ito in US dollars lang, guys, in US dollars, because we are plotting the prices into US dollars para all of us around the world will be using a universal currency. All of us will be saying this. So, the NPP package for AIM World is $102. $102 US dollars plus shipping fee. Okay, am I clear? $102 plus shipping fee. What will happen? Your website, your downlines in your AIM Global website, what will happen if you will do the NPP? All of them will be activated, will still be your downlines in our aimworld.today website. Okay, these are the countries that we will open our AIM World business. 200 countries. Next. Ayan, our NTV package for $102 plus $5 shipping fee here in the Philippines. It will be delivered door to door anywhere in the Philippines for $107. Am I clear? So ano yung package na yan? Isang necklace, it's for free. Then we have 2 sachets of Eye Protect 24/7, and then 1 pack of Care Lift. The suggested retail value of this is $140. Since you are distributor, you're just buying it for $102 plus $5, $107 all in all. The commissional points is 1,400. Repeat, binary points is 85. Positional points is 0.85. Next. And how to order. Ito medyo matagal, bibilisan lang natin, yung nasa PowerPoint. We're giving you step by step on how to do the NTP. Next. Ayan, go to aimworld.today. Starting tomorrow, go to aimworld.today website. Next. You click on the shop on top. Next. Ayan, click register. We need to register our name, some information which are very vital. Next. Ayan, key your details, name, last name, email, and telephone number. Your cell phone number, this is important for the delivery. Next. Ayan, key and important, correct and complete delivery address. This first page are for the billing address. So nakalagay dyan, address, city, postcode, country, region, password, confirm. Okay, next. Ayan, and once you finish that, it will prompt into being successful. Your account has already been created. Meaning you already have an account with aimworld.today. So it will create some sort of a number. Next. And then you can go to your account, my account, click that. Next. Place your AIM user ID over there. Magkakaroon tayo ng Facebook manual nito so you could print and explain to all your downlines. Next. Ayan, it will prompt to say success. Your user ID has been successfully linked. You can now enjoy discounts. Kasi once nalaman ng system that you are a member, by telling them your user ID, discounted yung price mo ng aimworld products. Next. Okay, go to aimworld NTP. Next. Ayan, next. Select add to cart, that's $102. If it's delivered to the Philippines, plus $5. Next. You will see the confirmation. Ayan na. Next. Check out. So it means the whole process of online shopping is already completed. Next. Then fill out the billing date details. Kinakailangan yan. Or, next. I want to use an existing address kasi this is for the delivery. Kanina billing, now this is the delivery. Next. Ayan, do the same with the delivery details. Next. Ayan, kung nasa Pilipinas, $5 shipping fee. Kung nasa Asia, it varies. Minsan $10, minsan $15. If it's in US, Canada, so and so, merong variable shipping charges. Next. Okay. You will be advised of payment option. How can I pay my aimworld NTP doc? Ito na, next. Ayan, you confirm your order. Next. Check out ulit. Ayan, it will prompt into giving you user ID number. Kapag nag-online shopping ka, lalabas yung user ID number. Take note of that. Next, because that is important in paying. Tomorrow, starting tomorrow, Feb 8, you can pay cash. You can pay cash in all our branches, in our head office, cash, converted sa local currency, using that order ID number, and your ID of course, next. Or, you can go to any Banco de Oro branch and make a deposit. Okay, make a deposit using our Banco de Oro AIM Global Bank account. Next. Ayan. Account number 003-4002-75886. Are you following me, guys? For all of you who has Viber account, take note of this number, 0920-9777-415. What you can do next, you can, next, ayan. You need to put your name and then your order ID number, okay, for security purposes. And then you can take a picture of this, send it to the Viber number that I just mentioned, or email it to the company to verify your payments. Next. Ayan, aimworld payments via Viber or email. Next. Next. Kung wala kang Viber or email, you can just go to our branches or head office and give them the copy of your deposit slip so we could confirm your payment. Because again, aimworld is about online. So we are starting it right by doing it online. When the payment is confirmed, eto na. when your payment to the company is confirmed, it will appear in your order history. Nakalagay yun, AIM World NTP sa AIM Global website natin. Next. And with that, you can already credit that particular NTP codes sa dates na babanggitin natin mamaya. So dates to remember, Feb 8, orders can be made and cash payments will be accepted in the main office and branches. Guys, this is for the whole world. Not only here in the Philippines, but Singapore, Taiwan, Hawaii, Nigeria, Ghana, Uganda, Togo, Kenya, and Middle East. Okay, they will also do this. Next. Eto na. Feb 18, for those who doesn't want to pay cash, they can use their credit cards online. Feb 18, payments can be made via credit or debit cards. Are you excited with this? Online credit card payments for NTP pa lang po ito. Next, March 15, ito na, NTP encoding na po. Now we will start encoding the NTP. Once your payments have been confirmed by the company, magkakaroon na activation code sa e-store. Pwede mo na encode siya starting March 15. But of course, paunahin mo muna sina-upline. Paunahin mo sina-upline para during your time, yung mga downloads mo, sunod-sunod, so and so. Next, eto na po, guys, March 18. That's the date to be remembered. AIM World Global Pack will now be available in 200 countries worldwide. I-deliver na. Tagalan. So we are really preparing for this. How much preparation are we talking about? Next. Ayan. How can we reach the world? I think may AVP. Just look at this AVP first. Ito yung English kanina. Listen to this. English.
By vision and innovation.